To showcase the colourful and rich heritage of the people of Bhoi district, a group of individuals under the banner of Young Minds had organised an Indigenous food festival on the 11th of December at Liarbang ground in BHOIRYMBONG, Bhoi. Performances by local artists and the band Snow White enthralled the audience, who set their feet tapping to their music. Later, the festival concluded with performances by DJ D. Bryant and DJ Wanshan. The president of the Bhoi Welfare Organization, Eddie J. Kharbani, graced the function as chief guest, while others present included the president of the HNYF, Marcus Martin, President Young Minds Isnei Hing, Secretary Young Minds Richard Lingdor, besides others. Speaking during the event, the president of Bhoi Welfare Organization, Eddie J. Kharbani, expressed his gratitude to Young Minds and appreciated their wisdom and effort in organizing such an event wherein local culture and talent can be showcased to the outside world.
Kini program kini kebaikan keberbasutan ladang isu perkat ladang kami kejing perkat temai kini program mungkin dah perlong hang ni ladang ban perlong BHOIRYMBONG umroy sneng nongpo kumta teter hang jaka bakham longsor kini kejing perkat kejumpi kini kejing perkat kebah kumno ban kintiau napo tenrai kumbang ijuong kanu kubang isdang nala rempai kumbang jengas kiteri mene mangidei kinong kendong mangidei kita kiba ngibe ngitep kamdon ke kebangin perkat kita kibangidon hangni bangin sim kibasta lemne da piplie kalat piplie kalenti kumno phintip kumno phinnang lemne dam don kita kiba kimle kiba biet nginong not kiba biet kimut kibangim kimdon ke jingnang jingtip hendrai ke jing sempang kidon ladang ngimdon syakinong kendong kiba rep kiba riang kumno kinong sor kinyo bam yang